Hey Tony, so it's been a while, man.
Yes, sir.
How's 2023 treating you? Hey, that rain was no joke, huh?
Yeah, it was raining, windy, and then it would be sunny for a few days and rain on one day of the week, so we'd have to reschedule. But overall, it's been pretty decent, not too bad. I can't complain too much because I don't even have my own setup yet, so it's still getting built. I have the truck already. I just need the setup. I got a trailer, and you guys will probably be able to see it soon. Hopefully, it's done by next month in March. So yeah, once I get my trailer, I'm hoping it picks up a lot. It gets a lot more busy, and so March, April, May, June, July, those months are usually pretty busy. So it should be booming a lot more, and I'm hoping to hire some employees by that time, maybe at least 2.
Hey Tony, so for the new detailers out there who are experiencing this slow season, what advice do you have for them? Should they keep trying new things to get business, or should they be more patient? What would you say?
It depends on what they're currently doing, but I would say if they're good with talking to clients on the phone, they can run Google Ads. If they're not good with talking to people on the phone, they just like texting, kind of like I prefer talking or texting on the phone, then I would run Instagram ads or post a lot more content on whatever platform you feel you get a lot more traction or leads. I also have Google, and I get a lot of calls coming in from Google, but I'm not really a big person on answering like random phone numbers, so if I don't know the number, I usually don't answer it. But if you're someone that doesn't mind answering to any phone number, then if you go on Google and you open up your own page there and do Google Ads as well, that would work fine for you. But mainly just try to double down on your content and do stories, and if you have whatever clients you have right now at the moment, see if they're interested in any services or if they'd like to do some maintenance program type of thing, because I like doing maintenance programs just in case of anything. That usually is what keeps us busy throughout the weeks. Only bad part would be like when it gets like the weather's bad or whatnot. If you have a garage or a shop that you can work in, or if the client has a garage, then you can offer like interior specials or something. But yeah, it's not really, I feel like common sense stuff is like what really you should focus on.
Let me ask you, during this slow time, should detailers do specials, discounts, or you think regular price?
It depends on your clientele base, because I feel like whenever we do specials or run ads or anything like that, like any special or discounted pricing, we usually never get anyone to book with us. It's really weird. We'll do like 5 to 20% off, sometimes 25% off, and there's only like maybe 3 out of 5,000 people that saw the post that will take us up on the offer. And then when we charge like regular price, we get a lot more like busier. So it's kind of weird, but it really varies on your clientele. I'd say if you want to, you can for like a limited amount of time or something, or in case the weather's bad. But for us, that usually doesn't work. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you guys ever ran specials, and how did it go for you guys?
All right, Tony, can you tell us a little bit about your schedule for this week, next week? Is it fully booked? You're trying to fill it up?
At the moment, next week, I'm kind of keeping it a little bit open. Monday's pretty much almost booked, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm keeping it, and probably just those 3, maybe Friday. I'm keeping them kind of like booked off for some personal time, but I'm still debating on it. I'm not sure yet. I'll know by like Sunday. So by Sunday, once I figure things out in my personal life, if I need that time, then I'll book it out for myself, and if I don't, then I'll just throw in work in there and like let everyone know I'm available. But it's not super busy, but I do have a lot of people hitting me up wanting services, so that's good. That's always good when you have leads. But yeah, that's how it is right now.
Do you think things are picking up or staying the same?
Slightly picking up, just because the weather is starting to get clear and stay sunny and whatnot. So I'm starting to get everyone back on track on the maintenance plans, and more people starting to hit me up. The only bad thing is I'm still getting people hitting me up from like further cities out, and with the new vehicle that I have and the trailer, I'm not going to be traveling as far. Like I wasn't traveling as far anyways, but now it's going to be even like more limited.
What's your goal for this year, Tony? I know you're getting a new setup. You might want to hire employees. Yeah. But what is it? Expand, get more clients,
I think I want to, before I expand, I want to get at least 2 employees to run the mobile unit before trying to expand into like another truck or another shop. That's like my first goal, my main goal, trying to get at least 1 mobile unit that has like a dedicated route, and they take care of like pretty much all the maintenance and other mobile details. And then I'll see if I can get a shop. I found a couple shops that I like, but they all get taken either quick or they're a bit out of my budget. The setup that I'm getting right now, it's not really originally what I wanted. The original setup that I wanted was a lot more out of my budget, but I might just save up and like upgrade everything. But we'll see what happens. It's gonna work, but it's just not all the fancy stuff that I wanted. I don't need it, but it would be nice. All right, guys, well, that's how my 2023 is going. Let me know in the comments down below how your 2023 is going. If remember, you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.